Drones. I don't know about you, but I'm fascinated by this technology. I want to bring an organization to your attention called Vets to Drones. It's helping veterans who may have had exposure or may not have had exposure to drones in the military, but it's helping veterans get involved in the civilian drone industry. Fascinating amount of new opportunities being created for veterans to get involved in the drone community, to be a commercial drone pilot. This isn't for hobbyists. This is so that you can go out and do inspections with power lines and utilities, maybe rescue efforts, all agricultural efforts, all kinds of things we discuss with the founder of Vets to Drones. We think you're going to find this interesting, and the technology and where it's all going really fascinating. So tune in to this Veterans Radio podcast. I'm Jim Fausone. I'm the host. I'm also a veterans disability lawyer with Legal Help for Veterans, one of the sponsors of Veterans Radio. And tune in to Vets to Drones.